Hello everyone, this is Matthew from I Love Free Software TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get notification drawer at the bottom of the screen. To do this I'm going to use a free Android app called MIUI-fy. This app adds a customizable notification drawer at the bottom of the screen. You can get his app from the Play Store. When you launch this app for the first time, it asks Accessibility Service, Draw Overlays, and Show Notifications permissions. These permissions are necessary for this app to work. When you allow these permissions, you get to the main screen of the app, from where you can enable the bottom notification drawer, by toggling it on. There are many other options here which lets you customize the trigger and appearance of the notification drawer. That's it guys, this is how you can get a notification drawer at the bottom of the screen. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more updates like this.